What's good, y'all, man? We're back here with another video, and as you can see, I'm with my guy Dusty.
Man.
And I got a Celsius, he got a Celsius, and we're about to hop up in the cars, go to a car meet. So yeah, man, let's get right up into it. Say what's up to the people, man.
What's up?
Yo, that's crazy. We are hitting a nice little back road spot. I'm gonna be switching back and forth from the 360 to this. Oh my God, there's a cop. Oh nah. I'm gonna be switching back and forth from this to the 360. Y'all stay ready for that one. We're about to go hit a nice dirt road, and then we're gonna go hit a car meet after, so we're gonna pull up with some dirty ass whips. All right, we just pulled up to the farmlands. We're about to park up, hit the boat, and then we're gonna head to a car meet, man. So you guys stay tuned. It's actually gonna be a really, really nice night. As you can see, we already got the 360 going because I've been using that as my dash cam recently, so I can get some good dash cam content. You know what I'm saying? I've been using like my phone and stuff, and now I just use it like partly for some of the driving. It's not that dusty out here right now because it just rained a bit, but it's beautiful, bro. Let me show you guys the scenery. It's gorgeous. Like, roads out here, man, these are the type of roads that me and the boys will definitely gatekeep. Yeah, I'll show you guys them on camera and stuff, you know. We'll never hesitate to bring you guys along for the ride over here, bro, because it's just like gorgeous. Like, look at that. Trust, when I don't care about this car anymore, like when I'm filthy rich and I don't care about this thing, I'll bring it out here and like slide it in all the dirt and shit, bro. 110%. Bro, like, just look at how gorgeous. Like, it's so crazy that this is like, we live here and this is like an active view all the time. Y'all just make sure that you keep praising God, the Most High. He will really answer all of your worries and all of your problems that you may have. I'm telling you, I've been starting to get closer with God the past year or so, and it's the best thing I've ever done. Just got to this fucking crazy ass spot, bro. We're hitting the shit. And yeah, then we're gonna go out to this meet. It's now like 45 minutes away, but we're still gonna go, bro. We're still gonna go. It's not a big deal. We're heading out right now. There's so many fucking bugs. Like, there's some in my car. I can't deal with it. Neither can James. So we are out of here, man. If you can't drive your car with your knee, I'm sorry, you are definitely like a short man. Okay, there's just a dead squirrel in the road. Fuck. Oh my God, it smells like fucking cock. Oh my God.
Throwing TDs like I'm staff, I do fraud, not the trap. Said I'm living what I rap, so I'm cautious with my tracks. Drop a deuce and take a nap with this mosquito on my back. I fell in love with the money, I woke up thinking about.
Yo, James is getting recognized, bro. He's actually like, that's motion. Good for him. This man is a famous man. Who the fuck you talking about, bro? Yo, that's crazy.
I'm not famous, but I'm a freak.
What do you mean by that?
Hey, yo, that shit's crazy. But no, we got the cars out here. There's a whole bunch of cars. I'll show you guys all the stuff that I like and everything.
Spicy meat. Yeah, boy.
About to get some runs in with these boys. About to see what it's talking about. We out in Mexico tonight, though, bro. I'm excited. We're about to see what it's talking about.
Bye, 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 bye.
Yeah, buddy! Come on! Yeah! Let's go! As you guys can see, that C43, I don't think it was pushing over 500, like he was saying. And 3K for that tune is crazy, bro, considering all things considered. Bro, those runs were so much fun. That fucking C43S needed to get gapped. Zay, I've raised Zay so many times. At this point, it's always just for fun. Damn, Zay just tweaked. The fuck? Yo. But nah, man. I don't know. That's just how I feel. But Zay and I, we don't race for anything but fun. But that C43S, bro, he was thinking he was about to beat me. No cap, and I'm stock. I knew that's how it was gonna go though. Like I knew it wasn't really gonna be much of an issue for me. I'm just gonna let you guys know this is all AI generated and completed in Mexico. So yeah, man, we're just there's nothing going on that shouldn't be. Hey, there's a cop right there. That's a Grim Reaper for real. All right, to finish up the runs, I stopped at Exxon, picked up a Celsius again, and yeah, we are heading home. I just wanted to get some gas, getting $25 because this thing just eats my pockets away, bro, but it's okay. It's not a big deal. Gonna make it back on Monday. Tomorrow's Sunday. We got some good plans. I'm about to go get maybe some content tonight. Maybe I'll burn off the rest of my tires. Maybe I'll save them though. I'm not sure. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the runs. It went a lot better than I thought. I thought I was gonna get gapped, but I actually ended up gapping everybody. Respectfully, not disrespectfully. It's all fun runs against my boys, but that dude in the white C43, yeah, no, he definitely got the work. I'm not gonna lie. Especially after saying he spent 3K on a tune and saying his car was close to 550. That's crazy, bro. Imagine when this is 550, it'll be able to gap everything out there pretty much. I'll damn near need a tire on back. All right, guys, it's now the next day. I folded, I know. I didn't really get any more footage last night, and that's only because there wasn't much going on. But today I'm on my way to go get an oil change done on the M2. We're gonna go check out some cars, possibly some cars that I may want to trade the M2 or the M4 in and maybe make some moves, man. So we're gonna go check it out, see what we can do, and I'll get back with y'all once we get to the dealership. Look at that Porsche. I just saw another really nice Porsche. It was white with gold wheels. That shit looked really, really clean. But I don't know how I feel about gold wheels on white, honestly. I know I put gold wheels on the black, but I don't know. But yeah, man, we're gonna go ahead, just hop up over there. Got the cool displays going since sport mode and everything. And yeah, we're just gonna go teleport to the dealership, go check out some cars. I walked outside because they have a frozen gray and a frozen gray M2 and X6F. Both frozen gray X6 and M2 goes crazy. Like imagine this whole duo. If this was a manual, it'd low-key be crazy. I know I'm saying that with an automatic, but doesn't really matter. But the M2 and the X6 go crazy. This is what I need right here though, to match the M2. Red interior, red and black interior, carbon fiber, and it's obviously the new G series, the new G body X6. You got a G body XM, which that's the only body, but it's still tough. This is like easily over 200,000, well over $200,000 in cars. Would you rather take these two or would you take a supercar? Okay, I just had to show you guys over here. They have this big i7 and it's tinted from factory. Has all that chrome trim. It looks really good. It's an i7, so I believe that makes it electric. And all the paint match and chrome all around actually looks really good. And it's two-tone, has a black roof. It doesn't have a big screen, but it has like that big panoramic roof. Crazy. Then look at the dial in there. That dial looks kind of cool, bro. But again, it's just like something BMW adds to make you buy it. Brand new 2025 M3 Comp. And it does have a carbon roof, blue interior. I wish I could open it, but I can't. Blue interior, and it's frozen white from factory. It's kind of a cool spec to like be selling at a dealership, not gonna lie. Has a flat bottom steering wheel as well. They have a Zandvoort blue M2. As you guys can see, it's also got the sunroof on top. Looks pretty good, but oh, it doesn't. It just has normal black seats too. Like I just said to my boy Sean on the phone, I think they missed with putting all the black accents around these cars. I feel like they should have just kept it more paint matched, because like on my M2, you don't see all of that black. It's just all hidden in the paint, and it just looks a lot better, to be honest. And on top of that, why would you get an M2 without the carbon roof, bro? Come on, man, spend the extra bread. Here we go, nice M8 in the Isle of Man green. This is probably my favorite color for this car, just because if you're gonna go and ball out on a $200,000 car, why not ball out the right way on the spec, man? White interior, green paint. Imagine if this thing had like a manual or something in it, that thing would go crazy, bro. Just got a normal X6 too, 40i. Gold Star goes crazy. That V8 needs some down pipes and a straight pipe, and then it'll be sounding really, really good. It's still a V8 twin turbo in there. It's just not an M. It's an M Light. This car right here is a label red XM. This thing is really clean. So it comes in the frozen black and has all these red labels. As you can see, all the red emblems. Has red interior and black interior. It's both. It also comes with some flat carbon fiber or matte carbon fiber. Looks pretty good. I think this is the only XM you'd ever catch me in, because I don't know why you'd really buy one of these. They're really not that pretty looking. But I mean, hey, if it floats your boat, why not go buy and spend your money? It's $200,000 though. So that's a lot of money to be spent. That bitch was sitting low, bro. I gotta be more careful about that. I need to go back to monster truck fitment, clearly. We're gonna hop right up into the Beamer. I'm gonna start it and I'm gonna show you guys. Damn, this thing's going insane. I'm gonna start it and I'm gonna show you guys the car so I can get this thumbnail for you guys. Yeah, all right, cool. All right, man, we're gonna go head off of into the car and get this show on the road. We're about to hop up on the highway. We just left the dealership and now we're just gonna go home. I think I'm just gonna cruise home though, because I just got my oil change and shit, trying to be nice to the car and whatnot. So maybe we'll get a nice little pull in. Fuck, man, this car moves, buddy. Stop playing with this fucking piss missile. This German piss missile. I'm gonna fucking pass this guy, bro. Like, he's making it so hard for me to just get past him. Like, why is he the final boss of Ultimate drivers, bro? Oh, and we got a nice X5. See, that's all I wanted. I just wanted to catch up to the fucking modded, lowered X5, because you just never see those, bro. Maybe he'll push it right here. Okay. Just got a truck in my lane. Like, nice. Anyway, I just had to give the Ultimate driver some work because Buddy was really trying it. I'm sorry, I am one of those people that gets mad when I get passed because I go plenty fast enough. There's no reason for you to be on my ass driving like a dick. I'm going well over 100 miles an hour, if not a little bit less than 100 miles an hour, bro. Relax. Post BMW run, you already know I had to cop the motherfucking quesadilla. About to go leave, hop up into the car and drive like an absolute maniac home so I can get home, eat my food, but I'm gonna put this good car to good use, man. I know you guys saw that spin though. I'm sorry it's not a good POV, but I have to hold it down because of cops. There's just a KA band. Just so y'all know, the KA band means that there's a cop. K band just means it's like an automatic door or like a sensor from like one of these lights or something. There's a lot of Porsches out today. Okay, I'm gonna put this down unless I'm feasting, which there's a lot of traffic. I'm not gonna feast. I won't be a menace to society, but I'll be a good person. Also, the BMW tech that worked on my car told me that I have plenty of tires on the back. If I have plenty of tires on the back, this thing spins so much, bro. It's kind of out of control. It's fun though. It's a lot of fun. All right, you guys, as you can see, I teleported back to the house. That's going to do it for today's video. I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for all the recent support and all the videos. We hit 829 subscribers. Which means we are close to 900, which means we are close to our goal of 1,000. Which then means we have to make a whole new goal. So I'm excited to do that. Please make sure you guys are liking, subscribing, and letting me know what you guys want to see down below. Make sure you guys follow the socials. They're going to be right here and right here. And yeah, let's make this thing happen, man. I'm going to catch y'all soon. And stay tuned for more amazing content. Catch y'all later, man. Peace.